Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're out in the large greenhouse today, our 520 square foot DIY hoop house here, and we are going to be getting our second layer on as soon as we take off these shade cloths. So we'll have our second layer on this fall, be ready for this winter, and we're looking to start building our nice compost heater. So we'll have our Jean Pain composting going on once I clean up all my mess back there. So what I wanted to show everybody today is a decent way to make some money off the homestead, and very easily. Very easy. So we took some of our Everbearing Strawberries. These are nice, healthy Everbearing Strawberries. You can see the amount of runners. Now we've caught about 20 different strawberries off this, and I came out, cut all the cords, and yesterday I came out and stuck rocks on all of these new runners. So we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, about $30 worth of free strawberries here. And these sell like crazy at our local farmers market because they're everbearing and they're always going to produce if you get a little bit of rain, and they're constantly throwing off runners. As you can see, there's a runner coming off of the runner, and in this greenhouse with our shade cloths up, we've gotten like 5 to 6 foot runners with 4 to 5 plants on each of those runners. So we are just continually catching all of these runners. Same thing over on this side. We'll jump right over, and we've got our strawberry back here. We've got some of our rhubarb coming up, a little bit of kale. So we've got all these strawberry plants that we are catching and just making free money off of. You can see that this plant has been in here a little bit longer, and it has thrown this runner off, and it's already started to throw roots off the bottom and trying to grab hold of the ground. So we've got another 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. We've got another $40 worth of strawberry plants for free over here. So we're sitting at about $70 worth of free strawberry plants just off of 5 minutes of work. I came out here with a shovel and took some of the native soil, free soil, threw it in these buckets, and basically just threw a rock on top of them to pin them down. And in about a week, these will be fully developed. The roots will sink in. We can cut all of those cords, and you've got a whole new strawberry plant that is an everbearing variety and will continue to throw off more runners and throw off berries at the same time.